This video is an introduction to the Agile 2.0 application in the ServiceNow IT Business Management product. ServiceNow Agile helps you manage software development efforts that use Agile methods. ServiceNow Agile supports pure Agile development efforts, as well as hybrid efforts using Agile methods within a project structure. ServiceNow Agile 2.0 supports the Scrum framework as defined by Scrum Alliance. And because it's based on the ServiceNow platform, it's fully integrated with the ServiceNow CMDB and products for managing your IT services and operations. To get this full integrated Scrum support, you'll need to activate the Agile Development 2.0 plugin. ServiceNow Agile supports all the elements of the Scrum framework. Workload. In ServiceNow Agile, the product backlog is broken down into release backlogs, themes, and epics, with prioritized stories made up of specific tasks. Personnel. Developers are organized in Agile groups, led by a Scrum Master who oversees the implementation of stories in a sprint. The product owner manages the product and release backlogs. Activities. Your team creates stories for products or projects and adds them to product backlogs. Here are the stories in this backlog on the Agile board. A planner moves the stories to sprints. On the Agile board, you can see the stories in sprints. During a sprint, you can track the progress of each story on the sprint board, and you can track the progress of releases and sprints on burn-down charts. In the next videos in this series, we'll see how to use these features in a few different scenarios. For more information, please consult our product documentation, knowledge base, or podcast, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.